Once upon a time, in a small village by the sea, there lived a fisherman named John. Every day, he went out to sea with the other villagers, casting his nets into the deep waters. John kept some of the fish for himself and sold the rest at the market, making a modest living. But without a family, his life often felt empty and lonely. One day, John decided to visit a nearby village to sell his fish. On the way, he saw something unusual. A man sitting by the roadside with a tiger cub. Curious, John walked up to him and asked, "Why are you sitting here with a tiger cub?" The man, sounding tired and desperate, explained that he had no money and his family hadn't eaten in 2 days. He offered to trade the tiger cub for John's fish. Feeling sorry for the man, John agreed to the trade, hoping the cub would bring some companionship to his lonely life. John returned to his village with the cub, and the villagers were quite surprised. They questioned his decision. Some admired his bravery, while others warned him about the dangers of keeping a wild animal. But John wasn't worried. He promised to be careful. He built a strong cage on his balcony and fed the cub fish every day. Over time, John and the cub grew close, and the tiger became a familiar sight in the village. Years passed, and the tiger grew bigger, but John's affection for it only grew stronger. Despite the villagers' warnings, John trusted the tiger completely, believing they had a special bond. One day, John went to a far-off village to sell fish. The journey through the forest and over the mountain was tough, but he managed it. After selling his fish and taking a short break, he was ready to go home. But a landslide blocked the mountain path, trapping John and others in the village for 5 days. When the road was finally cleared, John rushed home, worried about his tiger. When he arrived, he found the tiger weak and tired from not eating for days. Feeling sad for his pet, John opened the cage to comfort it. Sadly, the tiger, driven by hunger, went back to its wild instincts and attacked John. This story reminds us that no matter how much we care for or nurture some beings, their true nature may not change. Just like the tiger returned to its wild ways, some people might show their true selves when circumstances change. It's important to respect and understand these natural traits, balancing kindness with caution. I hope this story helps you see your challenges differently. If it touched you, share it with someone else. And if you like stories like this, subscribe for more. Thanks for listening. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? If you're serious about transforming your financial life, we've got a proven blueprint that thousands have already used to achieve financial freedom. Check the comment or description for the blueprint link and start your journey to financial success today.